flashing time. So you're gonna see two icons. Every light meter is probably gonna have these basic two icons. Okay, and that's your basic modes for your light meter. That's no matter what light meter you're gonna be using. That's one of the nice things about it. This is ambient light. It's a little sun, and this is your flash. Sun / ambient / hot lights. Okay? You're going to find other types of flash, like a little one with an antenna, or you're going to find another one that's got like this one here, a C for cable or connect, but don't worry about those now. That's what you need to know. So don't get rattled or scared if you see a lot of little flashy things there. The one you need to use is the sun one. Does that make sense? Alright, so I'm going to click on mode normally on my light meter. If you guys kind of come and look at it, I have my light meter. Here's my mode button. And that's how I travel to the different modes. That makes sense? These light meters have the capacity of adding a radio transmitter. You buy separately, and then that's when you get the little one with an antenna, so that you just click and your flashes are triggered by your meter.
Oh wow.
Yeah, but this one is, for example, for the cable mode, because you can connect your cable here and also trigger it from here. Or you can set up your flash. Just go ahead and trigger it for some other source and it'll measure. But in this case, we're metering with the sun, right? Because it's our ambient light. We have our little dome out. And next thing is going to be our ISO, right? We need to tell the flash, I'm going to give you my ISO, I'm going to give you my shutter speed, and I want you to give me my aperture. So what ISO are you going to guys be shooting with in the studio?
100, 200.
Why?
Because we can control the light.
Right, because you can't control your lights. So I encourage you to use the lowest ISO possible. And why do you want to use the lowest ISO possible?
Green.
Lowest amount of noise, okay? So if you have 64, go ahead and use 64, because you have control over your lights. You can make your lights brighter, and you can, that's the nice thing about shooting in studio. So let's say in this case, I'm going to shoot ISO 100, right? So I have my light at ISO 100. I'm probably going to be shooting at a shutter speed of 125, because I don't want things to be moving, so I'm just going to set up my shutter speed at 125, and I click on my reset button. Well, actually that's for metering in this case. I put it where the sub goes, and I meter. And what's my rating here? 10?
F-stop 10, right?
F-stop 10,
Yeah. Okay.
and then 1/3, which is interesting. Let me see. Oh, it's giving me EV values.
What does that mean?
That's not what I want. Exposition values is, let me see if I can change that here. That's a different metering, that's a different measure that you use. It's more independent from your settings. This is giving me a 10. That's kind of like the amount of light independent from your aperture or your shutter speed and all that. So let me see, how do I set this for